Hello everyone and welcome back to Jim's Garage Toys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install some cross rails, the roof cross rails on a 2022 Toyota Sienna. So this is a vehicle my youngest daughter just bought and she picked up a set of cross rails. So I'm going to go ahead and install those for her, and I'll show you how simple a job this can be in case somebody else out there wants to put some on and doesn't have them on right now. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the box they came in. I've already popped them out of there. They're packaged very nicely. And it comes with a very slick little tool to tighten and loosen these. And it's actually, I wasn't sure what this was at first, but it's actually a built-in torque reader. There's a little line right there. It's kind of hard to see. But there's a line there, so when you tighten it, you know how much to tighten it. So, also came with a quick set of instructions, and it came with 8 of these, already with thread lock on them. And of course, it's got 2 of the cross rails. So the cross rails, so that you can't mess up, are also labeled rear left and front left, so you know which one goes on the front and back, and it's marked on that side too, rear right. So there's 2 screw points for each one. And I'll show you up here. There you can see there's 2 kind of bolts in there, they're little plastic covers so that expose the threads. So we'll pop those out and get to hooking in the bars. It's so bright out here today that it's hard see the camera, so we'll go ahead and get this undone. So there's, like I said, there's 2 of these for each side, and it is just a little plastic clip with some threads on it. So I'll go ahead and get both those out, and then here's the other one that I got to get out too, so go ahead and take that one out real quick. Okay, so I've got this in position. I'll just get the screws started here. One on each side. Well, it's just a matter of snugging them down. Okay, so I got the far side done, the driver's side, so those 2 are in. And now let's go ahead and work on the passenger side. So go ahead and first one started. The nice thing about these is that the bolts are self-centering, so it's kind of nice. I just got them started by hand, and I used the tool they gave me to get them snug. One thing I would do also as a little tip is get the get the screws on both sides started, and then make sure you get them, the little centering area around it, seated, and then work them both in a little bit at a time so they stay seated. So that will be a tip there. So now they're snug down. So now we're going to go ahead and tighten them up. There you go, there's the first ball. So 2 screws on either side. So to review, take out the plugs there on both sides. Pop the bar in, work the 2 bolts in together, and then torque them down, and you're done. So we just did the front one. Repeat the process for the back one, and you are all done. Alrighty guys, here's after both rails are on, tighten down. So if you're ever going to carry anything on the top, you can anchor all kinds of stuff to it. So appreciate you watching the video. If it helped you and everything, please subscribe, smash that like button. Sure has helped me grow my channel. And until next time, we'll see you down the road. Thank you. You all have a good day.